Mahabharata has many great warriors, and one of them was Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu was the son of Arjuna, born to Subhadra, his second wife. He was a great warrior prince who acquired the most secretive knowledge of strategic warfare from his father Arjun and his maternal uncle Sri Krishna. Abhimanyu was born for a purpose and played a significant role in the Mahabharata war. Although he lived for a short time, he overheard the conversation between his mother and her brother Lord Krishna about an advanced battle formation known as Chakravyuh. Even while he was still in the womb of his mother Subhadra and grasped the secret of advancing through it successfully. Unfortunately, he could not listen to the later part of the conversation in which Sri Krishna explained his sister how to emerge out of it successfully. On the 13th day of the epic Mahabharata war, the Kauravas decided to engage the Pandavas with the Chakravyuh, planning at the same time to keep Arjun busy on other front with the help of some gifted warriors. Arjun alone had the knowledge of dealing with Chakravyuh, but as he was busy, Abhimanyu came to the rescue of Pandavas and entered the battle formation all alone, although he knew only how to enter into it. So great was his valor on that day that impotent warriors like Dronacharya, Duryodhan and Dushasana on the Kauravas side could not stand against him. Unable to face him directly, they resorted to treachery. They surrounded him from all sides and broke his bow by shooting arrows from behind. Then they engaged him from all sides and killed him in the most gruesome manner by smashing his head. Angered by the unjust manner in which he was killed, the next day Arjun avenged the death of his son by unleashing a reign of terror on the Kaurava army and slaying thousands of enemy warriors. In many ways, the death of Abhimanyu was a turning point in Mahabharata war. It changed the mindset of the Pandava and made any chance of reconciliation impossible. The manner in which he was killed amplified the animosity and vengeance between the Kauravas and the Pandavas. It also exposed the duplicity of many members of the Kuru community, who were complete daylight murder of Abhimanyu against established norms. It also exposed the character flaws of many elderly statesmen on the Kauravas side and made the Pandavas rethink about their rules of engagement. From then on, what mattered was how to destroy each other and achieve victory, so much that it made the Pandavas disregard all norms or propriety and engage in the unjust killing of Bhishma, Dronacharya, Karna, Ashwatthama and even Duryodhan. At the end of Mahabharata war, Abhimanyu's son Parikshit was the sole survivor of the Kuru clan and eventually succeeded Yudhishthira to the throne of Hastinapur. In the epic Mahabharata, Abhimanyu exemplified many virtues such as courage, rightness, selflessness, respect for elders and love for one's family.